Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring a stunning collection of stylish and adorable crochet blouse designs that are perfect for every fashion lover. Whether you enjoy elegant handmade fashion, modern crochet trends, or timeless classy outfits, this collection is filled with beautiful inspiration you are definitely going to love. Crochet blouses have become one of the most creative and fashionable outfit choices today. They combine comfort, beauty, and handmade artistry all in one design. From simple and elegant patterns to detailed and colorful creations, crochet fashion continues to stand out in an amazing way. As you watch this collection, you'll notice how each blouse design has its own unique personality and style. Some feature delicate floral patterns, while others come with bold textures and modern cuts that make them perfect for casual wear, special occasions, vacations, or even everyday outfits. One of the best things about crochet blouses is how versatile they are. You can pair them with jeans for a casual and trendy look, style them with skirts for a feminine appearance, or combine them with shorts during warm summer days. No matter the occasion, crochet designs always bring elegance and creativity to your outfit. The colors in these crochet blouse ideas also play a huge role in their beauty. Soft neutral tones create a classy and minimal look, while vibrant colors add energy, confidence, and personality. Whether you prefer simple designs or eye-catching styles, there's something here for everyone. Another amazing detail about crochet fashion is the craftsmanship behind every piece. Each stitch represents patience, creativity, and dedication. Handmade crochet designs are more than just clothing. They are wearable art. That's what makes crochet fashion so special and admired around the world. If you're someone who enjoys DIY fashion or loves creating crochet pieces yourself, this video can also give you inspiration for your next project. You might discover new patterns, sleeve styles, neckline ideas, or color combinations that you'd love to recreate. Crochet blouses are not only stylish, but also timeless. Fashion trends may change over time, but handmade crochet pieces always remain beautiful and fashionable. They offer a unique touch that machine-made clothing often cannot replicate. If you've made it this far into the video, let me know in the comments which crochet blouse design is your favorite. I'd love to hear which style caught your attention the most. And if you enjoy fashion inspiration, crochet ideas, and beautiful handmade outfit collections like this one, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future uploads. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope these stylish and adorable crochet blouse designs inspire your next fashion look or crochet project. Enjoy the rest of the collection, and I'll see you in the next video.